We're here at William J. Fox Airfield in the city of Lancaster, where, as you can see, tens of thousands of people are streaming in to enjoy the LA County Air Show.
This is both our first time doing it, and it's just been a trip ever since. The planes and everything, the activities, it's so much fun.
This is what the Antelope Valley is about. We all come together, we all prosper from each other. As I said, we have the city of Palmdale here, we have our congressman here. It's just a great event.